guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna create this look using all drugstore products. L'Oreal sent me some of these products. Okay. I know that's right. So let's get into this video. So I am using the L'Oreal True Match, and this is in the color Warm Medium. So I already did half of my face, so you can see the coverage. One thing about drugstore foundations that I'm not too crazy about is the amount of coverage. I like a really full coverage foundation, but this one, you know, goes on easily and you can just keep layering on more and it's not too oily. So let's do the rest of my face. As you can see, really good coverage. I also have the True Match Concealer by L'Oreal, so let's use this one as well. Hyaluronic acid and caffeine. Okay, this is the coverage that we get. I really like a concealer that has a lot of coverage, so I will add a second layer of that. I unfortunately do not have a face powder that's drugstore besides this one. So I will use the Huda Beauty one, and I'll use this one for my under eyes on top. This is the Cherry Blossom. I unfortunately do not have a drugstore one. I'm just going to set my entire face. That looks pretty good. All right, I have been messing a little bit with this product. This is the Faux Brow by L'Oreal, and it's supposed to create little hairs. So we're gonna use this for my eyebrows. Last time I used it, I added too much, so I gotta make sure I only add a little bit. All right, that's pretty good. I'm not going to add any more because last time I got a little too crazy. I have the brow lamination as well, and I'm just gonna give this a couple of minutes to dry, and then we're gonna go in with this one. This is the Shadow Stick by L'Oreal, so we're going to use this. This is like a nice little lilac color. It's supposed to be just really easy to apply color and move on and use your fingers to blend it. It's pretty. It's like a subtle shine. Now we're gonna use the brow lamination. That looks pretty good. All right, let's let that dry a little. Panorama mascara. So let's go in with this. Nice juicy tube. Okay, that's pretty good. That is with 2 coats and curled as well. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Beauty in Fresh Tan to add a little color to my face. I use the Color Stay by Revlon because I do really like a bright under eye. I had to go with the Huda Beauty. Press powder and just add a little bit to the under eyes. Lip combo, I unfortunately do not have any drugstore lipsticks that I can do, so I'm gonna do this MAC one. This is MAC Strip Down, my favorite lip liner ever. I got a new one finally. And just line it there. This is the prettiest color ever. This one. It's like a really nude color. A little bit of a MAC lip gloss on top. And this is the final look. I'm just letting my hair dry. I am obsessed with these brow products. They are so easy to use, go on so smoothly, and make your brows look really, really good. I'm gonna definitely keep using those products. So yeah, this is the final look. I wish I would have had some drugstore products to use for my lips, but I didn't. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Make sure to like and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this look. And don't forget to build your authentic dream life. And I will see you on my next one. Bye.